Today is Wednesday, September 17th. This is the 1977 Cadillac Eldorado left hand and right hand cast iron original vintage exhaust manifolds from my friend Anthony Harrington in New Jersey. These particular units have been fully cleaned, surface treated and climatized, MagnaFlux tested, and they're in beautiful pristine condition. The units have been retapped in order to accommodate new threaded studs, which go in beautifully by hand. And I'm going to be sending these threaded studs to Anthony along with these beautiful, totally reconditioned manifolds. So nice clean threads for the brand new studs. And the right hand unit can be mounted with or without the dampening device, as the threads are substantially long enough to accommodate the dampener if the dampeners prefer to be reinstalled, which is unnecessary for a vintage classic car, but is part of the heat rising mechanism for preheating the engine back in the day when these cars were driven in the winter, as well as on special occasions. So this is the left hand unit, casting number 1485749-1, and this is the right hand unit, casting number 1609255-2. This is for the 425 cubic inch engine that was specific to 1977 and 1978 in the last of the 2-year large Eldorado body styles. So I'll go ahead and turn over these units, and we'll look at the beautiful mounting faces. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Beautiful machined mounting surfaces, so all that's needed is some new gaskets prior to mounting onto the block. Okay, so that is the set of the original 1977 and 78 Cadillac Eldorado 425 cubic inch engine cast iron exhaust manifolds. Again, these units have been fully cleaned, blasted, climatized, surface treated, and oiled, and will be now sent out to my friend Anthony as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, and over 250,000 Cadillac items overall from 1959 to 1978. Today is Wednesday, September 18th. Thank you very kindly.